Very, very big update that we're bringing for our viewers at the AI Summit, this disruption that has been caused by the youth wing of the Congress Party. Now we are learning that the additional DCP of New Delhi, Anand Mishra, has said that we have arrested all of these people. We are taking legal action. Another important update talking about the arrests that have been made after this episode at the AI Summit. Now the additional DCP, in fact, going on record and talking about how legal action is going to be very soon taken against all of these 10 bedlams who entered the AI Summit and in fact sloganeered against Prime Minister Narendra Modi. Let's take a look at this reaction coming in.
नरसिम्हा यादव है, महबूब नगर तेलंगाना के रहने वाले, ये नेशनल कोऑर्डिनेटर हैं इंडियन यूथ कांग्रेस के। इन 4 लोगों को हमने डिटेन किया है, बाकी को भी हम वेरीफाई कर रहे हैं, उनको भी जल्दी एक्शन लेंगे।
सर, क्या इनके खिलाफ एफआईआर दर्ज की जा रही है? क्या सेक्शन किन सेक्शंस के तहत क्या कार्रवाई की जाएगी?
अप्रोप्रिएट लीगल एक्शन के खिलाफ निश्चित लिया जाएगा। थैंक यू।
सर, इंग्लिश में
हो तो गया। हाँ,
ये घटना क्या?
ये लगभग 12:30 बजे के लगभग की घटना है। इन्होंने ऑनलाइन रजिस्ट्रेशन किया, QR कोड के माध्यम से जो स्कैनिंग होती है जिससे आम जनता सभी के लिए फैसिलिटेशन है, उससे लोग अंदर आए। इन्होंने ऊपर से स्वेटर जैकेट ये पहना हुआ था, नीचे से एक टी-शर्ट ऑब्जेक्शनेबल टी-शर्ट पहनी थी। हॉल नंबर 5 के पास में आके इन्होंने अपने ऊपर से स्वेटर और जैकेट को उतारा, नीचे से टी-शर्ट लहराते हुए इन्होंने प्रोटेस्ट किया। हम इनमें अप्रोप्रिएट लीगल एक्शन ले रहे हैं और जो कुछ लोगों को इनमें से डिटेन किया है और बाकी की भी पहचान कर रहे हैं।
सर, किस तरह से ये लोग अंदर घुसे? क्या प्रॉपर ये चैनल के थ्रू गए थे? इन्होंने उसी किस तरह से अंदर भारत के अंदर ही घुसे?
QR कोड कोई भी आदमी ऑनलाइन रजिस्टर करा सकता है वेबसाइट पे। उन्होंने ऑनलाइन रजिस्ट्रेशन करा के अपने लिए QR कोड बनाया, जनरेट किया। उस QR कोड को स्कैन करके और अपने जो ऑब्जेक्शनेबल टी-शर्ट है जिसका इन्होंने प्रोटेस्ट किया, उस टी-शर्ट के ऊपर से स्वेटर और जैकेट इन्होंने पहने हुए थे और उस स्वेटर और जैकेट को जो हॉल नंबर 5 का लॉबी एरिया है उसके अंदर उन्होंने उतारते हुए वहाँ पे इस चीज़ को प्रोटेस्ट किया, जिसमें 4 लोगों को हमने डिटेन कर लिया है।
सर, ये जो लॉबी एरिया 5,
Let me take this across to my colleague Ananya, who's now with us on the broadcast. Ananya, that reaction that's coming in from the additional DCP there in the national capital. So, impending legal action against all of these hooligans, the 10 people belonging to the youth wing of the Congress Party. More reactions that even as they continue to pour in, one thing has been made amply clear, that this was a planned strategy on part of the Congress Party, the Youth Congress there, because there were proper registrations that were done by all of these 10 individuals. They registered themselves and then they entered this venue, and that's why there was no alarm that was raised on their entry. They could easily get that access as they could get those QR codes scanned, and that's how they managed to enter, and only then they revealed the objectionable T-shirt and then started sloganeering against the Prime Minister.
Well, absolutely. In fact, this seems to be a pre-planned thing because very clearly there were proper registrations.
Some problem with that link there with Ananya. We'll try and re-establish that connection. But you've heard the DCP there, Anand Mishra. He's gone on record. He's talking about how all of these 10 individuals did register for the AI Summit. There was a proper registration that was with them, and they managed to enter this venue. Because remember, the access is something that everybody is also raising an alarm with. How did they even enter? So this was a proper registration that was done by the Youth Congress members. All of them scanned their QR code. Only then they managed to enter this venue, and they were wearing normal clothing. It was only later, after that entry was granted to them, that they revealed the objectionable T-shirts that they started to, in fact, display and then eventually sloganeer against the Prime Minister. That's basically the sequence of events as it unfolded. Ananya is now back with us on the broadcast. Ananya.
Well, absolutely. In fact, this is a wing, the youth wing of the Congress Party that had actually planned this protest, because you see the registrations had actually happened. They had very properly entered with those QR codes inside the AI Summit, and then this hooliganism was actually caused. The Delhi police also looking into every aspect of the case, though this whole jurisdiction falls under the Tilak Marg police station, and very clearly it is exactly where we are at. And at this particular point of time, it would be very crucial to see as to what kind of action would be taken by the Delhi police, because already a detention has happened, though these people have not been brought here, and they were